This is a continuation of the video I posted this morning, routersploit. I wasn't able to get it going with Kali Linux, so I decided to try Linux Mint, which is this right here, this Linux Mint. This is the LMDE Linux Mint Debian edition. It's like Ubuntu but with a Windows interface. It's not bad. I mean, I prefer Ubuntu, but it's a good operating system. This works fine. Okay, so let's do it. So what I ended up having to do was install it from source from GitHub, and now I got to use Python to run it versus installing it from the repository that I had and using pip. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to run this. Okay, this is our routersploit, and what we're doing right now is we're going to test a router. We're gonna see if we can't find vulnerabilities. So I'm going to guide you through how to do it. So this is how we find this. We're going to test a router right now that's live connected to the internet, and we're going to see if this router has any vulnerabilities that the owner needs to know about and make a change to. So what we want to do is we want to show the scanners. Okay, we're going to use scanners, router scan. So we're going to say use scanners, routers, router scan. Okay. Ooh. Uh-oh. Okay, I gotta get my cat out of the way. Come here, little kitty. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to set the target. Okay, target is set. That's our target. Run. Okay. Found one. We've already found the vulnerability. Okay, it's still running. So, and what it does is it tells us, okay, we know that backdoor is not vulnerable. We know Wi-Fi password disclosure is not vulnerable. RCE is not vulnerable. It's telling us everything that's not vulnerable. Now you see this blue asterisk right here, that means something could not be verified. So we got a couple questions. Office Connect _RC could not be verified. So, but we do have one vulnerability. See this green plus sign? And it's pretty serious too. Admin password reset is vulnerable. So this particular router that somebody I know is using really needs to make a change. Okay, so this will be taken care of immediately tonight. So, but what I wanted to do here was share with you guys something that I do. Okay, I hunt vulnerabilities. So I want to thank you for watching this video. We're going to hit Control C, and that cancels the operation because it's pretty much done, and we've already served our purpose. So remember, don't be afraid to scan your router. Don't be afraid. Don't rely on apps. Don't rely on services. Find a friend who's good with computers and see if he'll help you out. It's the better option. Alright, good night everybody. Have a wonderful Sunday.